Hi friends, welcome to Sada Learning Hub. You are with me, Shadashivara. Today's session we are going to learn static nested classes. This is the one type of inner classes available in Java programming language. Static nested classes, sometimes we can declare inner classes with static modifier. Such type of inner classes are called static nested classes. In the case of normal or regular inner classes without existing outer class object, there is no chance of existing inner class object. But in the case of static nested classes without existing outer class object, there may be a chance of existing static nested class objects. Now I can show one example regarding static nested inner classes. See this example. See this, I'm creating a one class that is called test class. Inside test class, I'm creating a one static nested class. This is the class called nested class with the name nested. I'm putting modifier as a static. This is the static nested class. In this class, I'm creating a one method here. Now, this is the main method which is regarding to the outer class. Now I'm creating an object of nested class. I'm calling the method one. Finally, test is an outer class, and this is nested is the static nested class. It is available inside of the test class. This is the static nested inner class. Now, inside the static nested class, we can declare static members including main method also. Hence, it is possible to invoke static nested class directly from the command prompt. If you see this example, there is a possible to declare a main method inside static nested classes also. See this example, I am creating a one class called test. In this test class, I am creating a inside one more class. The class is the static nested class. This is the static modifier. This is a class called nested class. Inside the static nested class, I am creating a main method. This is the public static void main. This is the static nested class. This is the public static void main. This is the main method. It is available in outer class test class. This class we can execute it from directly. We can execute nested also. Whenever you are compiling this program, compile successfully. Now, whenever we are compile this program Java C test.java. Now it generates the two dot class files. One is test class file, test dot class, and another one is test dollar inner dot class. These are the two class files whenever we are compiling the test class. Now we can run any one of these classes, it runs successfully. Why? Because in the inner class also there is a main method is available. That's why the two classes are executed successfully. Now I am calling the test. Whenever we are run this program, it prints this one. Whenever we are running this program inner class, it runs successfully and prints nested class main method. Next, from the normal inner class, we can access both static and non-static members of outer class. But from static nested class, we can access only static members of a outer class. If you see this example, see this one. This I am creating a one class that is called test class. This is the outer class. I am creating a two instance variables. One is the normal instance variable and another one is the static instance variable. Now inside the test class, I am creating a one more class that is the static nested class. Inside the static nested class, I am creating a method one. In this method one, I am accessing the variables of instance variables of a test class. See here, whenever we are compiling this program, it gives compile time error. Why? Because non-static variable x cannot be referenced from the static constants. See this one, whenever we are compiling this program, it gives the error. Why? Because non-static variable x. This is the x variable which is available in test class. It's a instance variable. X cannot be referenced from the static instance. Now, next I am accessing the y variable. It doesn't give any compile time error. Next, I am going to discuss about what are the differences between normal regular inner classes and static nested classes. In the normal regular inner classes without existing outer class object, there is no chance of existing inner class object. That is, inner class object is always associated with the outer class object. If you come to the static nested classes, without existing outer class object, there may be a chance of existing static nested classes object. That is, static nested class objects is not associated with the outer class objects. Now, coming to the normal regular inner classes, inside the normal or a regular inner class, we can't declare static members. Inside the normal inner classes, we can't declare the static members. Coming to the static nested classes, inside the static nested classes, we can declare the static members. Now, coming to the normal inner classes, inside the normal inner classes, we can't declare main method, and hence we cannot invoke regular inner classes directly from the command prompt. Coming to the nested classes, inside static nested class, we can declare main method, and hence we can invoke static nested class directly from the command prompt. And coming to the normal inner classes, from the normal or a regular inner classes, we can access both static and non-static members of outer class directly. And coming to the static nested classes, from the static nested classes, we can access only static members of a outer class directly.
Thank you so much watching this video. Hope this lesson helpful to you. Keep watching our lessons. Keep writing to us. Do not forget subscribe our channel System.out.Learning Hub because we have many sessions that would help you to develop our skills, and I will be back soon. Till then, you take care. Bye bye.